So today we are going to bake chicken Bhuna Masala. It's a semi-gravy dish and it's very yummy to taste, and at the same time it's a treat for spice lovers, and also at the same time it is very easy to make. So these are the ingredients which we are going to use for chicken Bhuna Masala recipe for today. So here I have taken some onion paste, ginger garlic paste. You can also use garlic cloves and whole ginger and just make a paste with the onion in it, and some coriander leaves, green chilli, some curd, very little amount of sugar, around 1/3 of a spoon, and salt as per your taste, some whole spices like fenugreek seeds as well as coriander seeds as well as red chilli, and some powdered spices like red chilli powder as well as turmeric powder. And here I have taken 500 grams of chicken. You can see the quantities of the ingredients in the video description box, and also adjust the quantities of the ingredients as per your taste. Okay friends, so let's start to make chicken Bhuna Masala. First take all the whole spices and dry roast them for 2 to 3 minutes depending on your burner flame till they start releasing the aroma, and also ensure that you are not burning them. First take all the whole spices and dry roast them for 2 to 3 minutes depending on the burner flame, and also make sure that you are not burning them. So we'll dry roast them till they start releasing the aroma. Once they start releasing the aroma, switch off the flame and put them into a mixer grinder and grind it to fine powder. After grinding, keep it aside till further usage. Now heat oil in a pan or wok, that means kadai. Once heated, add green chilli and let them fry for few seconds. Add ginger garlic paste and onion paste. Give it a good mix. After mixing, let them cook till the raw smell of everything goes away for a few minutes. Once the dry smell goes away, add the powdered spices, salt, sugar, and our roasted spice powder. Give it a good mix. Also add very little amount of water to prevent burning. Give it a good mix. After mixing, let it cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. Now add curd, mix it. After mixing well, let it sort for 1 minute. Now add chicken pieces. Coat the chicken pieces well with the masala. After mixing the chicken pieces well in the spices, let them cook for a few minutes on low heat or low medium heat for around 8 to 10 minutes depending on your burner flame. There is no need of adding water as of now, as chicken pieces will release its own water. But after releasing the water, if it becomes too dry, then sprinkle some water, and also stir couple of times in between. Has released all of its water. Add a glass of warm water. Give it a mix. Now cover the pan or the wok and let it cook for 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. Now open the cover and check the tenderness of the pieces. If the pieces are tender enough, then it's fine. Otherwise, if needed, add some more water and again cover the wok or pan and let them cook till the pieces are almost tender. Now cook the chicken in open till the gravy is thick. Once the gravy is thick as per your requirement, add some coriander leaves, save some to garnish. Now give it a mix and switch off the flame. Now we will transfer our chicken bhuna masala in the serving dish.